Let go of my S20 Ultra, Magsafe. This is not an iPhone. Let it go. So here I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and here I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And here's the Magsafe. It's supposed to work with the iPhones, at least with the iPhone 12s, but it does still work with this guy. But the connection is extremely loose. The magnetic bond is very weak here. But with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it's actually much tighter. That's crazy. Look at this. I can move this around. It's not falling off. Okay, it won't let it go. And then if I put it right over here, the iPhone, it just slides right off. Okay, looks like the Magsafe likes the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra a little bit more. So let's dive in and see what's going on. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what I have right over here is the Magsafe charger for the new iPhones. Now in this video I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to see if it actually works with the Samsung Galaxy smartphones, as you can see right over here. So let's dive in and get started. Let's start to unbox this. So basically you just pull this thing up, it opens up, okay, and then you pull the whole thing out, and in the box we have this thing right here that just opens up, and that's the entire Magsafe charger. You got the cable and the charger. Let's see if you have anything else. And of course we do have some warranty information and stuff like that, and some compliance documentation, but that's the main dish right there. So let's undo this, see what's happening. Now first and foremost, this is going to be a USB type C. So the charger that you have should have a USB type C port that this is going to plug into. So we have one right here that we're going to use. So let's remove everything from the box. All right, so the cable is out. And once the cable is out, you can pull this thing off. Okay, you don't have to destroy the box over here. You just pull it out with the cable. And that's that little Magsafe charger with the cable. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into this charger right here. Okay, I'm going to plug the charger into an outlet right next to me. And as of now, this thing is in fact active. So here's my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, okay? I'm just gonna dump it to the back just like this, okay? There's a little bit magnetic attachment going on over here, not as strong as it is on the iPhone 12, but it is in fact charging the smartphone. As you can see at the bottom, it says wireless charging 72%, 1 hour and 17 minutes. Now if I were to log into the phone, and if I pull this down, you will notice that this is standard wireless charging. When it's faster wireless charging, it does say it at the bottom here, but here it says wireless charging. So we have 72% battery, and it's going to take 1 hour and 17 minutes until it is fully charged. Now when I lift up the phone, it actually retains the magnet, okay? But it certainly is a loose connection. Look at that. It is moving around, it just came off, okay? But here's the interesting part. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So with this one, when I do this, the magnetic connection is actually much tighter than the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So I can actually, look, move this around and it's not going anywhere, okay? It's actually as tight as you would get on the iPhone 12. That is crazy, okay? The fact that it's not falling, look, I have to hit it really hard for it to come off, okay? With this one right here, let's do the same thing. Just one hit, it's just going to slide off. As you can see, just slid off, no problem. Okay. So interestingly enough, the Magsafe is actually a usable wireless charger the way it's supposed to be used for a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra phone right here. As you can see, nice and tight, magnetic bond right over there. And then let me try one more phone. Okay, I'm going to grab this guy right here. And here is a Pixel. So I'm going to put the Pixel up here. And again, the magnet connects because every phone has a little bit of that magnetic coil inside. But this one slides off easily. Not as solid as with the S20 Ultra. Now let me use a S20 Plus, see what happens. Okay. With this one, it's a little bit looser than the S20 Ultra, but it's actually a little bit tighter than the Note 20 Ultra. Now it does look like we have the strongest magnets in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra from this lineup over here. And of course I'm going to try an iPhone 11 Pro Max here. This is last year's model. Okay, so that's going to work, but look, it barely attaches just like the Note 20 Ultra. Okay, So Apple claims that the magnetic alignment experience only applies to iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro models, but looks like the S20 Ultra is another favorite of the MagSafe charger. So MagSafe charger can deliver 15 watts of wireless charging speeds. It is compatible with any smartphone that supports the Qi wireless charging standard. And remember, if you end up buying this, you're going to have to buy this as well, unless you have one sitting in the house. This is just a power brick with a USB Type-C port inside it. I'll drop the links to the MagSafe charger down below in case you're interested. Anyway guys, for now, have a fantastic day, alright? Oh, look at that. Nope.